Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making vegetable soup. You guys, this is not your regular vegetable soup. The combinations of spinach and ugu leaves makes it so unique and super tasty. So keep watching and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. The first step is to cook my choice of proteins, goat meat and stripe. I will add my seasoning powder, minced onions and salt. I will stir very well to combine and allow it to cook for 12 minutes before adding other proteins. While that is cooking, I will wash my dry fish really well and set aside. Next, I check on the proteins and add the washed dry fish and stockfish fillets, pre-cooked cow foot which I cut into bite sizes. I'll add little amount of the stock from the cow foot. You don't need too much water when cooking your proteins, otherwise it will affect the vegetable soup and you don't want it watery. So be careful on how you add water when cooking your proteins. The next step is to prep my vegetables. I'm using the combinations of spinach and ugu leaves. I'll pick the ugu leaves, wash really well, slice and set aside. I will do same with the frozen spinach. I will cut, add hot water, take it to my sink, run very cold water on it and squeeze all the excess water from it and set aside. At this time, I check on the proteins and it's almost done. As you can see, there is no much stock in there. Next, I will add my palm oil. You have to be generous with palm oil when making vegetable soup. I will add my scotch bonnet pepper, grilled mackerel fish, crayfish and periwinkles. I will stir very well to combine, cover and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, I will add my vegetables. I will add ugu first. Stir very well to combine and add my spinach. I'm going to add some seasoning powder and more crayfish. Stir very well to combine, cover and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. And we are done. This recipe turns out really delicious. I hope you give it a try. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!